A tree commonly known as the emerald tree. What tree is it? Introducing Banay-Banay Radermakira quadripinata of the family Bignoniaceae. Banay-Banay is a medium-sized, moderately fast-growing evergreen tree that requires full sun exposure for optimal growth. A relative of pingka-pingkahan and African tulip, this lesser-known tree species is usually found in secondary forests at low to medium elevations. The wood of banay-banay is suitable for building house interiors such as cabinets and other furniture. It also makes matches and matchboxes, wall panels, balusters, door and window frames, bowls, and magazine stands. Banay-banay is a stunning ornamental tree because of its long pyramid-shaped purple-pink flowers. Banay-banay, also known as emerald tree, plays a vital role in its native ecosystems. Its foliage provides habitat and food for various insects, birds, and other wildlife. The flowers attract pollinators, including bees and butterflies, supporting biodiversity in the region. Moreover, the tree contributes to carbon sequestration, thus aiding in mitigating climate change. This is marks caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.